Right now, I am on the homepage of Laravel. Before starting, I will share with you a tip that is really important for your development. Alright? So basically, when you develop a system or a product that will last for years, you have to use the LTS version. Version is basically is a long-term it's that will be supported for a longer period of time. Okay, so basically, let me show you how to know whether or not the current version is an LTS or not. Basically, head over to the documentation and then type in release, oh sorry, release notes, and uh, go to the support policy section. As you can see here, this is the table that shows us the LTS versions. It's the sixth version and the ninth version. So basically, as you can see here, the LTS version, the sixth, which is actually the sixth version, will have bug fixes until 7th of September 2021 and security fixes until 6th of September 2022. And when you develop, you could apply this rule in other frameworks and languages. So basically, the LTS version uh, is the version to use when you develop a system that will last for years for the reason of being supported for a longer period of time. But also keep yourself updated with the latest version. And also you could use the latest versions for developing a quick product or a short-term products. All right. So with that being said, let's go to the installation. Right. So basically, I will head over to the getting started section and then installation. And basically, I will install. In this course, I will use the latest version, which is the 8th version at the time being. So basically, you could install the Laravel framework with the way that you would usually do. For me, I will install it using uh, the composer command, and you could install it um, the way you usually do. For example, using Docker. But for me, I will use this command to install it, um, and um, in the next video, I will start showing you how to or what we are going to do. Right? So make sure you install the the Laravel framework. Uh, you could also install the 8th version or the 6th version, which is actually an LTS version. You could use whatever version, it won't matter a lot. So, see you in the next video.